Welcome to CDPLABS Eduservices, the home of grade 1 students. This video is an introduction to CDPLABS Eduservices. Please watch until the end. If you have any questions, you can ask to speak to us through Messenger. If you wish to be enrolled, then submit your application form. Then you'll be required to pay your registration fee. Then you'll be invited to an orientation. You'll also be given your access codes, the password for your ebooks, etc. Then you'll be allowed to start your first class. After this, you'll be required to pay your course fee. So here you're at our website. Thank you very much for visiting our website. And of course, if you click on this button, you'll see the list of courses. So we can look at the CSEC course. So when you click on that link, you scroll down, and then you receive information about the CSEC courses. Good. So for students who starts in August to April, you do your exams in May, June. If you start your program in January to December, you do your exams the following year in January itself. Note that the summer is not part of this period. So we offer courses such as mathematics, English A, human and social biology, straight biology, chemistry, physics, and of course the business subjects, principles of accounts, principles of business, office administration, electronic document preparation and management, information and technology. Our program structure. Now, it's divided into two. So we have the ACROS, the asynchronous classes, which is students receives weekly assignments. Each assignment rather includes videos, tutorials, and worksheets, unit tests made from past papers, and other learning resources. The platform used to host these classes is, of course, Schoology. After registration is completed, students will receive their access codes and timetables. Now we have the synchronous classes as well. Weekly live sessions using Zoom video conferencing for 2 hours each week. And this is the same for all our programs. Now we have our fees for our local students right there. Now we give you 3 options. One, you have the full payment program. So just in case you don't want to pay too much, you can just pay the full payment program. However, if you don't have it all at once to pay that, you can do the 2 payment installment, and if you cannot afford the 2 payment installment at that time, then you go ahead with our traditional payment method, which is the monthly installment payment. And of course, you will receive your invoices. For those persons who prefer to learn in a one-on-one session, your private tutoring fee is $1,200 per session. Now, so to get access to the registration form, you click on that link to get access to the registration form, your application form rather, to register. So after you have applied, then you will receive your invoice to pay your registration fee. And then once you pay your registration fee, then you receive your enrollment letter where you can start your classes, but you'll be first invited to an online orientation. So that's it for the CXE course. Now the same thing is for a GSET program or a PEP program itself, so you can learn more about the other programs by clicking on these links. Now to apply for the programs, you can apply straight for the CSEC course. Now we are doing a partnership with Asana Tutoring Services. They are offering the EDPM, the Principles of Accounts, and also the Principles of Business. So those students who are doing just those subjects, you can apply through Asana's Tutoring Services. Now after you made your payments, then you come to this tab that says Payment Submission Form. You click on the Payment Submission Form right there. Then you scroll down, you fill out the information, your first name, your last name, your email address, and you state the amount you are paying for, and of course your phone number. You state the amount that you have paid, and of course the type of payment, whether you're paying the registration fee, you're paying your course fee, or your examination fee. If you have any comments, you make your comments. Now this is very important to do. You're going to upload a picture of your receipt. Now that is what the institution uses to determine if you have in fact made your payment. So you take a picture of your receipt, and then you're going to upload it to the website. And if you have a hard copy or a PDF version of it, you use this link to upload the PDF. If you failed to upload a copy of your receipt, then you will not receive a receipt from the institution to say that you have made your payment. Right? Then you click on proceed to checkout. Simple. Good. Now, when you come over to the other tab now, it provides you with your class list. So if just in case you click on the class list, you're going to see, look for your name. Once you are registered, your name will be added to the class list, and then you'll know that you are a member of CDPLABS Eduservices. Then also, as soon as you receive your enrollment letter, you'll be given your access code for the asynchronous platform that we use, which is Schoology. So you click on this. We may create your username and password for you, and that is optional. You may choose to do it for yourself, or the institution will do it for you. Now, if you decide to do it for yourself, once you click on that link, you will have to click on this logo right here. But if the institution had already created your account for you, then you just come to this section and put in your username and your password. If not, you'll have to click on that, and then you click on sign up, click on students, you put in the access code that is on your enrollment letter, you click on continue, fill out the form that comes with all the information required, and then sure, there's a small little box. You must click on that small little box to register, and then you continue. If you need any assistance, you can either send us a WhatsApp message or you speak to us through Messenger. Now, of course, we have the live worksheets login. Now, for the live worksheets login, this is where the teachers will provide you with additional assignments that you'll do during class time. So sometimes the teacher will have work for you to do during class time, and that is where we put it. Now, you must pay a registration fee to get access to the work booklets in the class. So not paying the registration fee, you will not be able to have access to these work booklets. And that's why we ask that you pay a registration fee, so that you will have access to everything that you need to have access to. Of course, you will have the timetable, rules and regulations also online, so you need to know what the timetable is like, you need to know what the rules are like, etc. And of course, this is a guide to tell you how to add your new Schoology access courses. So that is the list of pages that you can go on to for further details. Now, when you go on to the ebooks, now we currently have ebooks for biology, physics, human and social biology, chemistry, POB, POA, mathematics, and we shortly will be putting on EPM on our list. We're not yet put the English languages there, but the English language will come also as well. Now, to get access to these ebooks, you must pay a registration fee. Without paying a registration fee, you will not get access to those ebooks. Alright, so that is that for the website. Now we're going to give you an idea what it looks like for the ebook and what it looks like for Schoology itself. Now here we are in Schoology. So as a student, once you pay your registration fee, you'll have access to the class code for Schoology, and then of course you will see that you have your assignments. So this is the mathematics one. You have your assignments here, and with your assignments you'll be given different. So here's an assignment here, and with your assignments you'll be given videos to watch. So here are some videos for you to watch, and of course you have your worksheet. Let me show you your worksheet right there. Exactly. So here's your worksheet and an example. So you get your videos to watch, and you also get access to the worksheets for practice each week. Right? Good. So that is it for Schoology. We're going to move on to the live worksheets as well. So this is inside of our live worksheet booklets that our students get to use during class time. So of course, you know, you can preview. So you have different workbooks. So during the class time, the teacher can ask you to turn to this page, and then you're going to, do your work, and it will be marked at the same time. So we don't have our students idle during class time. We don't have the teachers just talking during class time. Teachers will teach, but there's also work for you to do during class time with the teacher's supervision, and of course your homework is given on Schoology. So this is just an introduction to CDPLABS Eduservices. If you wish to continue, if you wish to be a student of CDPLABS Eduservices, you go back to the website, you fill out the application form, you be sent an invoice to pay your registration fee, and then you will get your enrollment letter and all the information that you need, and then you will be invited to an online orientation, and of course start your classes. So guess what? You can go onto the Companies of Jamaica website and search for CDPLABS Eduservices, which is a registered institution registered to offer online education. So thank you very much for stopping by. Thank you very much for choosing CDPLABS Eduservices.